the issue ilipo, it's we want to take Zimbabwe back, right? We want to take the country back. We are the young generation, you understand? We are the future leaders of tomorrow, and our kids, they trust us for a better Zimbabwe. So when we talk about issues which we can handle, Dhokasi is not a problem. No, Dhokasi is a river. Yes, Mnangagwa can be a lake or an ocean, like, okay, we need to strategize, how can we remove Mnangagwa? But Dhokasi is a river, or maybe just a water in a cup. You understand? So, and this put after the churches, or people might say, oh, the religion doesn't like Christians, or blah, blah, blah. No. I respect people's religions, Christian, Hindu, Islam, whatever. Because no change and no change and chang. Yeah, and kuna matters and singasi. The kadakudeza baba mai wangu ndo wazia ndakambowaona. The kadakudeza baba wangu ndo wazia ndakambowaona. You understand? But I don't want to slow deep inside. Let's go into Dhokasi. Dhokasi, I didn't want to tell the people about you, but now you are forcing me. Because too much. Did you know Dhokasi Akauuraya shamwari? Dhokasi killed her best friend and Vaita take over the husband. Right now, arikuchengeta vana veshamwari yake ya Akauuraya because of jealousy. Dhokasi anobva kwamutare chipinge, nganga yangu sekuru mukumba is from ikoko. So I know those people, they are strong people, but I don't fear you, Dhokasi. No. And my mother is Virginia the Great. You haven't cooked or researched about who Ashimba is. My mother is Virginia the Great. So you think you can just silence me? As a way, don't shake it when you unless maybe I will see. Yeah, but I will shake it when I don't see Pana shikam Tata Gurenika. And I'm Tota. So you cannot silence me. Hey, VANA Kamanda watching it when it's LPF. But they don't blab about it. Yeah. This is just good to change it when I'm saying don't follow what yeah. I'm followed by a lot of worries. Yeah. Birds of sympathy flock together. Oh, how do I know? This one is hot like heater. Huh? You understand? But can I check it when I'm saying? Why are you parading it on social media? Can't you see the country is burning? Dhokasi Akauuraya best friend. It's not a secret. In the gospel circles is there. Who told me this information? Former backing vocalist wake. I will post the screenshot on phone, but I won't expose her name because I do Queen, please. Do it around my BVs in Zimbabwe because we share bas. But don't just as we speak, Dhokasi arikushungurudza vana veshamwari yake. They're being abused because we didn't want to get into your house because we've got pressing issues. But if you decide to be the issue or to be the thorn or in the flesh for us, we will deal with you, Dhokasi. Who be you? Who be you? You just killed one person and you think you are a giant. Ha! Chill! Bwana, chill! Who be you? Kilo shele. Yeah. Kutambira moja yo Dhokasi. Oh, you have become my enemy, and I love when someone becomes my enemy. But nice as you see, Akauuraya shamwari yako. Ukaita take over the husband. Furufusha oneshama. But jango zikana no ngospel. Now I have publicly now put it in the mainstream. You, you.